Can Fibonacci help calculate the golden ratio in numbers? Have you ever wondered how certain numbers seem to appear everywhere in nature and art? One of those fascinating numbers is the golden ratio. Today, we will explore how the Fibonacci sequence can help us calculate this intriguing ratio. The Fibonacci sequence starts with 0 and 1. Each number in the sequence is the sum of the two preceding numbers. So it goes like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. This pattern continues infinitely. Now, here is where it gets interesting. If you take two consecutive numbers from the Fibonacci sequence and divide the larger one by the smaller one, you will notice something remarkable. For example, if you take the numbers 21 and 13, dividing 21 by 13 gives you approximately 1.615. As you keep going further in the sequence, this ratio starts to get closer and closer to the golden ratio, which is approximately 1.618. This number is often represented by the Greek letter phi. The magic happens as you continue this process. The ratios of successive Fibonacci numbers oscillate around the golden ratio and converge towards it. This means that the larger the Fibonacci numbers you use, the closer the ratio will get to 1.61. This relationship between the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio is not just a coincidence. In fact, the golden ratio is the limit of the ratio of consecutive Fibonacci numbers as the sequence goes on towards infinity. There is even a formula called Binet's formula that connects Fibonacci numbers directly to the golden ratio. From a broader perspective, this connection shows us how simple patterns in numbers can lead to profound mathematical constants. The golden ratio appears in various fields, including geometry, art, and nature. It is often associated with proportions that many find aesthetically pleasing. Using the Fibonacci sequence to approximate the golden ratio is a practical and straightforward method. Instead of trying to calculate the irrational number directly, you can simply generate Fibonacci numbers and divide them to get better approximations of phi. In summary, the Fibonacci sequence is a helpful tool for calculating the golden ratio. It beautifully illustrates how number sequences can reveal meaningful mathematical relationships that connect to the world around us. So, the next time you see the Fibonacci sequence, remember its connection to the golden ratio and the fascinating patterns it creates.